Today, I am going to give Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey Snow-Belies. If you want to know what Snow-Belly is, it's that I would just rub snow on their bellies. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, I got a present for you. What is it, Toad? Okay, hold still. Okay guys, you can look now. Toad, we see nothing. So, wait. Oh my God. Why our bellies feel like that it is like chilly? So, what did you do? Nothing. I feel like you're lying. But to make sure, we will check to see what happened. I can't wait to see the look on their faces. Dear God! Ow! 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 We got snow all over our bellies! I can't believe he actually fell for it. Oh my God, I can't stop laughing so hard. Toad, we knew that you were snow all over our bellies. That's it. You are grounded for 20 decades. As for your punishment, you will not have any more of your favorite fins. Now, go to bed while we get the snow off of you. Now, to get the snow off of us. A few moments later. There, much better.